I love media.
Their stories,
The news.
And their programs I really enjoy about.
The way they bring out some news.
I don't like it. Capture the good side of me. If you've seen something bad in me, yes, fine. Capture the good side of me. Like, for example, I'm doing fashion. Capture that good side of me and forget the bad side, because I know fashion is also doing something. It's adding a block when it comes to Ugandan fashion industry.
They see refugees like someone who can be begging on the road.
They bring only one side of the news.
They should do more research about it.
I've seen a lot of pictures, newspapers, refugees. Their pics are always the worst. They bring a kid with mucus, very dirty. That's not how we are, that's not how they all are. Some are clean.
They have different talents.
We are also productive to the country, to Uganda and other countries. So if I'm a good fashion designer, forget the wrong, put me into the media and let people see the good I'm doing.
Here I'm just requesting for the media, if they can follow refugees and see what they are doing beyond giving food or giving clothes from UNHCR.
Yeah, I know some of them, I know my teacher, the one who taught me fashion and design. Why can't they go and make a publication of how great that man is and what he's doing really in fashion? We have great musicians, we have good counselors, we have good footballers, we have dancers, we have a lot. Any other human being could have a talent, but that is not shown.
I think they should also look for those urban refugees. I would love the media to come out, try, do research. Anybody can do something, but then we as refugees are always pointed out as the wrongdoers. But we also have a good side.
We are not enemies, we are also human beings.